to my YouTube channel, and this is Everything McGill. And in this video, I'm just gonna be doing a simple eyebrow tutorial, how to get your eyebrows fleek really fast. Oh, like my hands are like so ashy. How to get some cute eyebrows and it's a lot of tips, you know. Nothing really major. It's not even a long video. Just stay tuned, you might learn something new. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So first thing first, when I'm starting with my eyebrows, I like to do a clean face. I'm just gonna get this eyebrow to match this one. This is basically what we're going for, you know? This is how I like to do my eyebrows. I'm not saying anybody else's way is wrong. This is how I like to do my own eyebrows. And that's it. So I'm going with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This is in the color Deep Brown. And I don't actually use the little thing that comes with it. I know it's kind of pointless. So I'm just wiping the excess off on here. And I'm just going to go with a regular angle brush. I got this from Sephora like a couple months ago. This is the number 22. Yeah. So and then I'm just seeing the excess. I'm just going to dip it. Barely trying to touch it. But you know, just getting enough. So I like to start off with the back first. Clean it up a little bit. Now I'm doing the arch. Right now we just outlining it. Just outlining. And I'm gonna stop I'm gonna stop outlining like when I get to like right here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just slightly swipe up like that. And slightly outline. I'm barely touching my eyebrow. I don't want to mess my arch up. Just going back on this side, like, you know, getting them to match. That's always the trickiest thing, getting them to match. Now, before it dries, I'm going in with my spoolie. Mind you, this stuff dries like really fast. And that's it for the gel. That's all you really have to do. Now I'm going in with the same angle brush. I'm just wiping the extra stuff off because like it's not that serious. And the concealer I'm gonna be using is I'm using two concealers because this like is kind of really light. I like this for my how you call it, my highlight underneath my eyes because it's really light. And this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. This stuff lasts all day. Mind you, this lasts for like 2 days. So if you're really lazy like me, you don't like to do your eyebrows like me all the time, this is like a go-to. But I feel like I feel like this eyebrow is bigger. I feel like this eyebrow is bigger. So when I'm doing my concealer, I'll just take some extra out. So I use my hand for a canvas a lot. Like, I'm just putting it on my hand. I don't even need a lot. But you gotta work kind of fast. You can't be lollygagging. And the second concealer that I'm using is my Wet n Wild. And this is in the color Dark Coca. And this is in the color just dark. It says warm. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this next to the concealer that I just had. So we're gonna do the smaller eyebrow first, cause like it's kind of easy to do it that way. So I start in the middle, going right underneath, and I'm just tracing around it. Just tracing. I'm just tracing around it. Bringing it straight out. I'm not bending it. Bringing it straight out, and I'm bringing it down as I'm going. Oh no. It's like OD easy. The thing about the all-nighter, as soon as you put it on your face, I like to blend it, cause I don't have time for it looking weird. So I'm just gonna take this. Where is it? Oh, I got this from NYX when like it was like in a reward thing when you spend about so much money or something like that. So I'm gonna take the bigger. It's come with two sides, a more blunt end, and it comes with this side like a fanned out end. So first I'm gonna go in with the blunt end. And just swipe on me. All I'm doing is getting the excess, like what's not needed right now. That's all you're doing. Right? And then we're gonna take a clean beauty blender. I'll tell you the difference. Show you the difference. This is a dirty one. I used this yesterday. This is a clean one. So the difference in size. All I'm gonna do is just pat it. I'm patting out my eye. Getting the excess. Going with the small corner. And it should be clean and damp, because this is damp. And just going in. That's all you really have to do. And now we're gonna do the top of the brow. It's not really like too much to it. It's like so self-explanatory. the squint to tell where I need to start to mesh this up. See that? See how it's meshing now? Look at those brows, baby. Look at them. Who don't like some good brows? Um, that's really all I really do. Um, and that is it, you guys. I hope this video was really helpful. And, hopefully this video leaves a lot of girls super fleet, super beat. Okay. And just remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And turn on your notifications so you can get your updates on when we doing more makeup. Because it's definitely more to come, more vlogs, more fun, just me and Matthew, living our everyday lives. With that being said, I'll see you guys next time, and stay tuned.